Hello, I was really bored, so I'm going to do a try not to laugh challenge. Yay. What the fuck? He's not stopping. There's no stopping him. Oh shit. Oh fuck. The fuck? Oh shit. I don't get it. Huh? Oh, he's so cute.
Free my little friend.
Oh shit.
Charles Leeson, District. Hey, Forrest, I got our lunches.
That's fucked up. Yes.
Everybody's.
I used to be obsessed with Hot Wheels so much when I was little. Thought they were the coolest thing on earth. Not even joking. When I was born, I literally thought I was a guy until someone called me a girl, and I'm like, wait, what?
Oh, fuck, bro.
Who the fuck plays like that? Who the fuck plays like that? That's pretty good. Oh, I love this YouTuber so much. I love Wii Sports. Oh, you piece of shit. Not this guy again. Are you kidding me? Holy crap, you wanna know what he reminds me of? That one Roblox style where it's like chunky and then have like these skinny ass arms and legs. He reminds me of that. Bro's in Dragon Ball Z, what the fuck? I'm losing so bad. He's eating. Oh, I don't even have those, and I know that hurts. Oh, that's wholesome. Okay, the other horse did not like it, though. See, it's already warning you, don't do it. Grandma, no. Granny! Why? Oh! Oh, shit. Dumb's freaking out. Spider did not like you.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, no. Go.
What do I do? Keep these pennies for myself now.
We smell pennies.
James, come on.
Oh.
Oh no.
Yes. Kool-Aid Man.
Christmas crash. I think that just dripped oil right on your face.
Does anybody else's husband bring them home things like this? Does anybody else's husband bring them home things
I
like
spit
this?
all over my tablet. What is that? Oh, I should have put. I'm gonna put a volume warning on the title.
$1.99 through Super Chat. Big Black Monkey.
No, that is messed up. No. Ow. Why would you bite the cheeks? Oh, people are so cool when they dress like this. There's nothing wrong with Brazil. The only thing that you should be worried about is Ohio.
Yeah, do a flip. Do a flip, you big. Yeah, yeah.
Yes. Holy shit. No.
Why is everybody afraid of love?
That's messed up. Pew. Hey.
You're almost there, Chop. Come on. Just a little faster. You can!
No. Oh shit, watch out. I don't trust Gary's mod. But it's a good game.
Mom. Let's do it again. I do not have an egg gun, I promise. I just
Hey, don't say that.
seconds. Everything on that is fake. Literally. Hey, you want a minute?
Oh shit. I had one of those at my birthday party before. That scared me. Oh. Oh, kitty.
Well, Sonic, according to my calculations,
What they say, buddy?
you'll get no bitches.
That's literally me.
How many people
What the
are
fuck?
obsessed with spoons in this kitchen? 2. I'm gonna spoon you, big boy.
Hey yo, what the fuck? Washing machines be like,
Oh, he's not happy.
Aww. I had one of those when I was a kid. It freaked me out. Motherfucker. Oh my god, hallelujah. Yes.
Hey, yo, buddy. You want this cheese and food?
Oh no.
Wendy's? Is that you? Hi, welcome to Wendy's.
Fuck off.
Like all of a sudden I'd be trying to prove that I'm not crazy when I knew I wasn't crazy.
Right. When did we get so rich?
Are we rich?
Yeah.
I didn't know that.